If you're running a Shopify store and not sure whether your SEO is set up correctly, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to use SEOAnt's SEO Checker to quickly find and fix SEO issues, even if you're just getting started with Shopify SEO. The SEO Checker scans the most important parts of your Shopify store, like meta titles, descriptions, image alt text, broken links, page speed, and more. It gives you a clear SEO score and tells you exactly what needs attention without requiring any SEO experience. Here's the overview. Right now, the SEO score is 68, and SEOAnt has detected 13 issues that could affect our Shopify SEO. If we scroll down, all issues are grouped into 3 sections: critical issues, improvements, and good results. This makes it very easy to understand what really needs to be fixed first. Let's open one of these issues and take a closer look. For each issue, SEOAnt shows exactly what's wrong, which page or element is affected, and how to fix it. For example, here we can see my store has 12 images that are uncompressed. Next to it, SEOAnt gives a note saying the images will keep their quality while reducing the file size. It also mentions that it might take some time to process all images, so we just need to give it a little time to finish. This way, you can clearly understand the problem and see exactly how SEOAnt helps improve your Shopify SEO step by step. You can click Fix All now, but I usually prefer one-click fix above, and you can select the areas you want it to optimize and click Save and Fix. Then it takes care of the SEO fixes for me, so I can focus on running my store while everything is being optimized in the background. As you can see, the 13 issues are now fixed, and the SEO score goes from 68 to 80. No manual work, just one click. Anytime you add new products or update your store content, it's a good idea to run SEO Checker again. Regular scans help keep your SEO score healthy and make sure new issues don't hurt your rankings. A quick tip for beginners: try to keep your SEO score above 80. Stores with a healthy SEO setup usually see more stable organic traffic from Google over time. If you want an easy way to improve Shopify SEO without getting technical, give SEOAnt a try. You can find the install link in the description, and new users can find a special offer via the link below.